Are you addicted to lip balm? Do you use lip balm so often that you think you might be addicted to it?
So I've always been a little bit obsessed with lip balm.
I am a fiend. Lip balms are one of those things that I won't say I don't care how much they cost, because like I'm not out here trying to drop a Ben Franklin on a lip balm, but that doesn't mean that I won't one day, you know?
Sometimes people come in and they say to me, you know what, I keep using lip moisturizer and my skin feels drier, the lips feel drier, I'm getting cracks around the mouth. And they say I keep using it, I'm using it constantly. I feel like I'm addicted to it.
Hello everyone, welcome to Imperfect Skin. My name is Judith and I'm here to help you to achieve the best skin you can possibly have with the proper skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of the upcoming video. Last video we talked about dry skin. Now let's talk about dry lips. So some of us feel like lip balm is a habit that we can't quit. We put it on every few minutes or at the slightest feeling of lip discomfort. If we leave the house and realize that we don't have it with us, we just turn back to get it. Or for some of us, we might even have different lip balms everywhere. In the car, in the office, one in your purse, just literally everywhere. It's like we cannot really live without it. Okay, this might be a more extreme case. Anyway, what exactly is happening? Is lip balm really addictive, or is something else that's happening to your skin? Well, technically, you cannot be addicted to lip balm. Lip balm has no ingredients that can cause dependency. However, there is a reason why you continually reapplying your lip balm. So in this video, let's identify the reason behind your lip balm addiction and how to solve it. Now, for all of you, you will have to identify whether your lip balm addiction is in fact due to a habit that you simply got so used to it that you don't even realize you keep reapplying it, or is it due to your lip drying cycle, or maybe you're just simply allergic to a certain ingredient in your lip balm. I'm not sure whether you realize it, but there are some people that lick their lips after they apply lip balm, or some people just generally like to lick their lips when their lips feel dry. I definitely do this myself, and I also notice myself do that, especially if the lip balm has like a berry or peachy flavors. So you may enjoy that feeling or the flavor of your favorite lip product, but when you lick your lips, you wet them with saliva. When that evaporates, so does moisture from your delicate skin of the lips. This dries your skin. When your lips feel dry, you may reach for your lip balm more often. So this can leave you with dry, chapped lips despite your regular use of lip balm. The more lip balm that you apply, you may need more of it. Lips love the feel of lip balm. It's immediately moisturizing, soothes the skin, and just feels really good on our lips. Why? Lip balms contain a heavy ointment which provides relief and seals in the moisture. The chapped feeling comes when we lose moisture through the lips. So we immediately put that heavy ointment on to just relieve it, making our lips feel so much better. But here's where the problem comes in. The ingredients. Lip balm often contain a preservative, flavors like peppermint, menthol, or fragrance that just irritates the lips. So the more you apply the irritant, the more chapped your lips feel. Well, technically the barrier formed by the ointment stops the water loss, causing the discomfort, but with continual application, you are applying the preservative, the fragrance, or the flavor that's causing the problem. So when you apply more lip balm to get immediate relief, you are also creating more of the problem. This starts the lip balm addiction cycle. The lip balm that contain these ingredients soothe the lips temporarily but cause irritation in the long term. So besides the irritation caused by the lip balm, you may be allergic to one or more ingredients in your lip balm, especially if you are someone with eczema or sensitive skin. You are more likely to react to something if you have sensitive skin. And for your information, ingredients that add flavor are the most common cause of allergic reactions to lip balm. But you could be asking, my lips are not swollen, it's not red, there's no rashes, so how is this considered allergy? Allergic reactions on your lips don't usually cause redness or swelling. Instead, your lips can get very chapped. You may not realize an allergy is the cause of your problem. The more you use the ingredient that you are allergic to, the worse your allergic reaction can get. Again, this cycle may lead you to apply your lip balm over and over. Just try to keep your lip moist. Now, how should we solve it? First, if you have consistently dry, chapped lips despite the regular use of lip balm, just toss your lip balms with the fragrances or flavoring away. If you're not sure what to use, the plain old petrolatum Vaseline is a good choice. It acts as a barrier that cuts down on the moisture evaporation. It may help you to break the wetting, drying cycle that can dry and chap your lips. Now, since I mentioned about Vaseline, some of you may also think that I don't want to use Vaseline all the time because it's so greasy. Well, technically, you are supposed to only use lip balm twice a day as part of your skincare routine, not all the time. Of course, with the exception of like winter. If you have dry, chapped lips despite regular use of lip balm but still prefer lip balm over Vaseline, try to avoid all these ingredients that will potentially irritate your lips. Instead, try to incorporate products with more of these ingredients that are less likely to cause irritation. Also, try and consider SPF lip product in the day because sun could dry out your lips too. The second tip here would be check your toothpaste. You will be surprised that toothpaste could be a reason of your lip sensitivity. If you are using toothpaste with whiteners or strong flavoring, chances that your toothpaste is irritating your lips, causing your lip sensitivity. So try to change to a milder one. There's no amount of lip balm that is going to fix an irritation if you keep applying the product that's causing it. If you are tired of relentlessly applying your lip balm, you can fix it. Just find the source of the irritant and make the appropriate changes. If you think that your lips feel great after a fresh application of lip balm, just imagine how good they will feel without any irritation at all. The other thing that you can do to prevent cracked lips is, of course, drink more water and make sure you stay hydrated. And of course, this will make sure that your lips stay hydrated as well. And you can also use a humidifier in your bedroom. The extra moisture will prevent your lips from drying. So do you have a lip balm addiction yourself? How do you deal with your dry, chapped lips? Leave your comments down below so that we can learn all about it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of the upcoming video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!